Hey folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. I'm walking into Cookout, a restaurant here in Alabama that has wonderful hamburgers and ice cream. We're going to try hot sauce on ice cream. You got to stick around and see this. And hey, stay to the end to see what happened after videoing ended. Thank you. Hey folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce, alabamahotsauce.com on the web. I am in Cookout. Cookout is a franchise restaurant. I think they have about 350 stores. We've got one here in Florence, Alabama, and I'm telling you, people lined up from morning till night in the takeout line to get their fabulous hamburgers and their milkshakes. They're famous for their milkshakes. Now, I got a milkshake here with me from Cookout, but to be honest, their milkshakes are really ice cream. And I'm going to do something very unusual. I'm going to show you what it's like to eat ice cream with Alabama hot sauce. I've got a bottle here of Alabama hot sauce, red hot blueberry. And everyone who sees it on my website says, what am I going to use that on? My answer is always the same. You can use it on anything, but it's really, really good on sweets. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to eat Alabama hot sauce, red hot blueberry on the best milkshake / ice cream available in town, which is Cookout. So, we open this up, give it a shake. Now look, there's people across the restaurant over there saying they wouldn't dare eat ice cream with hot sauce. I've already predicted that once they see how excited I am about this, that they'll be ordering some ice cream and sharing my hot sauce. So here's what I'm gonna do. First, I'm gonna remove the little fitment on the top of it because I'm not going to put a little bit of red hot blueberry. I'm going to put a lot. Oh, look at all that red hot blueberry sauce. All right. I'm going in for the first taste. Dang. This is good. What you get is, of course, you get the sweetness of the ice cream. The ice cream here is fabulous. You then immediately get the taste of blueberry, and after it, you just get a little bit of heat. Now, red hot blueberry is not steaming hot, but it's hot enough so you know you're eating hot sauce. Folks, this is delicious. I have to pass this Cookout location every single day when I go to my commercial kitchen. And I'm an old guy that weighs a little bit too much. I have to constantly fight the urge to stop in here because if I stop in here, I'll either get a gigantic high-calorie burger or I'll get this delicious ice cream, which probably isn't very good for my weight. But I'm telling you, Cookout ice cream, red hot blueberry hot sauce, that's a combination I'm going to start enjoying more. Now let's put a little more of this on there. Man, this is really, really, really good. This sauce has vinegar in it and salt, which is traditional of any hot sauce. And the blueberries are fresh. This batch was made from fresh blueberries I bought from a local farm at the end of the summer up in Athens, Alabama. And I'm telling you, the blueberries are superb. In this sauce, they're really great. The vinegar taste is surprisingly good on this ice cream. I would have not thought that originally. Well, folks, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna sit here and finish my cup of cookout ice cream, milkshake, whatever they call it, with Alabama hot sauce, red hot blueberry hot sauce on it. It's absolutely delicious. You ought to order you some of this and try it. I'd greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you give me a thumbs up, and if you ring that bell. Thank you. We'll see you next time. Hey folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. Dominic and his friend were sitting over listening to me, and he came over. We talked a little bit about Alabama hot sauce, and even though he said earlier, no way you're gonna try hot sauce on milkshake, guess what he's getting ready to do?
Try it now.
So Dominic,
Try a little bit of it.
you there you go.
Yeah.
It's not gonna burn you up.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's actually amazing. That's really good.
I mean, who would ever think?
You can feel the spice in it too.
Yeah, who would ever think hot sauce on ice cream?
It's amazing. We're having it with peanut butter ice cream. That's really good.
When I was making this recipe, one of the things I thought about, I went to a rather fancy restaurant in Chicago, and for dessert, they had pepper ice cream. And what it was, I think it was cherry ice cream, and sprinkled on top of it was ground pepper. And I ate it, and I was like, wow, I never thought of hot with ice cream. So tell them what you think.
Honestly, it's pretty good. It's a little spicy too, actually. Yeah.
Well, look, it was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
And take that bottle and enjoy it. You can go on my website, and there's a contact. You can write me, you can send me an email, and let me know how you like it.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it. See you. Nice meeting you.
It's nice meeting you too.